Hey there, it's Dan from RDP Arena. Today, I'm going to share a simple yet effective way for you to hide your files and folders on your Windows RDP. If you have sensitive information that you want to keep private, or if your folders are overflowing with files and need a bit of decluttering, this trick will be very useful for you. So let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open File Explorer from your Windows taskbar. Now, navigate to the file or folder you want to hide. Right-click on the file and choose Properties from the menu. In the General tab, you'll see an option that says Hidden. Go ahead and check that box. Now, click Apply and then OK. And just like that, your file is now hidden from view. But what if you need to access it again? No worries. Just click on the View button at the top of your File Explorer. You'll see an option for Hidden Items. Just check that box. This will reveal all your hidden files, making them accessible again. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.